Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my Outdoors channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how my 9mm pistol, the safety lock on it, froze up on me or malfunctioned on me. And I'll show you how to fix this. Now what I've got is this Taurus PT111 G2, Generation 2. And what I found out is you got this little keyhole slot here for a hollow point Allen wrench, this tool that comes with it, and you insert that in there into that point, and you would twist it to lock it and then twist to unlock it. Well, I found out that when I locked it, I wasn't able to unlock it. I couldn't get it to unlock again. So I found out there's a little technique to do it. I went to my gun shop, they couldn't figure it out, and they suggest I send it to Taurus and see about them getting to fix it. So instead, I managed to figure something else, but still, I think it's a manufacturing defect that Taurus needs to correct. So I don't know if Taurus already has a fix for this or not. Perhaps that's something I'll learn later on, and I'll keep you posted if I do find out that there is a correction. Anyways, I'll get on with this, and I'll show you how to get this to unlock if you run into that issue. And it's really easy. So stay tuned. Here I've got a Taurus PT111 G2 9mm pistol. And what I found out is that when you lock this Allen key here with this Allen tool, that it tends to lock it, and of course it locks it up. Then when I tried to unlock it, the problem I've been running into is that it won't unlock. It doesn't want to come unlocked, and you don't want to put so much pressure on here that you break it. So what I've done is I've put my fingers on here like this to slide this slider back and forth a little bit, and I keep working this Allen wrench here, put it easier position to work with here. I keep working this back and forth until I can get this to unlock. There it goes. So now it unlocked for me. Now I can use it as normal again. So that's the key, is working this back and forth. If that locks up on you and you can't get it to unlock, it's to do this. I think it's a manufacturing defect that this lock is hanging up like that, and I'm going to make a recommendation to Taurus that this is something that needs to be fixed. I don't know how many people have run into this, and I couldn't find any videos on YouTube about fixing this, so I just stumbled across this quite by accident, just putzing around, and all of a sudden something slipped and it worked. So great. It's a great cure for now, but it shouldn't have to happen that way. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you got something out of it, got some inspiration, and found a way to maybe fix your pistol lock on it, please give me a like and give me a thumbs up. And also share it with your family, friends, and other outdoors persons. And please give me your comments. I'd love to hear what you want to see, what you're interested in. So let us know. Also, please subscribe and hit the bell icon also, so you won't miss any of our new videos, so you won't miss out on anything. So, if the ladies don't find you handsome, at least they should find you handy, as they say in the Red Green Show. Thank you.